Welcome home. It certainly needs a lot of love.
It does. But we're here now. Let's get to work.
この鳥はね、素晴らしい修復作業、的におめでとうございますな。
恐縮ですね。
ありがとうございましたね。
Thank you very much. We are deeply honored to have been a part of this restoration.
Yeah.
We are truly grateful for your team's wonderful work.
We need to reinforce this main structure first. What about the roof tiles shown here?
Yes, those will require specialized craftsmanship. Wow, look at that roof. It's beautiful.
Yes, it looks perfect for the project.
All right, lift it high. Watch the edge of the truck. Got it. Where are we setting this down? Over here, next to the others. The structural integrity of this corner is concerning.
Yes, but the main beams seem solid enough to restore.
The project is officially yours. We look forward to seeing the results.
Thank you. We won't let you down.
The main supports here look stable, but the thatch is heavily damaged. We'll start securing the perimeter.
How long until you can patch that main leak area?
The structure here is weak.
Will that hold during the next storm?
Everything past this line needs to be cleared.
Yeah.
Confirmed. I'm noting that on the blueprint now.
We'll need extra material for this section.
Does it match the diagram for the collapsed patches? Yes, mark it for replacement. All right, it's coming loose. Take the weight. Got it. Lowering slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right now. All right, guiding it in. Looks good. Set it down. Pass me the next bundle.
Here it is. Make sure it's secure.
Secured. Keep them coming. Send up the next bundle. Got it. Hoisting it up.
The left side looks good now. Let's focus on evening out the compression along the lower edge. Craftsmanship is superb.
It looks perfect, exactly as we envisioned.
この旗は完全割れていますね。交換が必要ですね。
図面と併用しますね。ここに見出しをつけてくださいね。
この部分も緩んでいますね。
We need to prioritize the rot near the foundation. No.
Got it. And the cracking here looks severe.
Watch it clear the edge. All right, slowly down to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, slide it into place. Looks good.
It's consistent with the dry rot we saw earlier. I've marked it for repair.
Absolutely stunning. We couldn't be happier with the result. The craftsmanship is remarkable.